Nimesaliwa huku, so mi ni mkaaji wa area hii, nimesaliwa huku. So kitambo nilikuwa naona ndege wengi wakiwa wanapita hewani, wakienda kwa groups, lakini wakati huu hatuonangi hizo mandege. Hatujui ni kwa sababu ya mazingira ambayo imechange ama weather imechange. Tujui area yetu imekuwa baridi ama imekuwa joto. Lakini najua likely kitu yenye inaweza fanya mandege tusikuwe tukiona wakati huu ni ukataji wa miti kwa forestry. Sana sana tunajuanga mazingira ambayo ndege wanapenda kukaa ni forest, kwa miti, mahali penye kuna miti. So nawahimiza tusikate mti, tupande miti, ndio ipate kuwa mahali ambapo ndege watakuwa wakikaa.
I've watched birds for the last 3 years. And it's so amazing to see birds flying around, and it's a spectacular thing to see migrating birds in thousands. But unfortunately today, I think the timing was we came a little late, because if we had come earlier than this, we would have spotted a good number of birds. So basically this day, for the few hours we have been here, we have spotted 2 birds, raptor species, and all of them are resident species. The first one was an ogre buzzard, which is a resident species, and the other one is a African hawk eagle, which is also a resident species. We have not yet spotted any migrant species.
So we have organized students in a primary school as we aim to teach them on conservation studies, on how to conserve birds and the environment at large, because they are our future generation. Students taught, or pupils as they grow, they're innocent in their practice of hunting birds and destroying their nests. In their innocence, they do not know how much they impact on the environment. Taking this step to teach them the importance of conserving these birds is important, because we secure our future. If we have a future of students who value conservation, then we will have a lot done and a lot protected. And so we need to come up globally, connect and work together to protect birds as they come.